Welcome back to this video. To this tutorial, I will show you on how to download and install latest updated Firefox browser without any strike. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Firefox browser. Having opened up your Firefox browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. What you want to do here is to simply click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then right click, and what you need to do, I'm going to paste the address of URL that you need to visit. So you have to visit www.mozilla.org. Having clicked on the site, then press enter key on your keyboard, then it take you to this particular page. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Firefox browser. Then you have different versions. Okay. Make sure you click on Firefox for desktop. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, and then you can read some of the information about the latest version of Firefox. Once you get to this point here, next thing you want to do is to simply come here, click on download Firefox, just like so. So you can see your download setup right here. After you have successfully downloaded the Firefox, next thing you want to do is to simply click on the installer. Then you have the installer set up just like so. So after a successful download and install, it's going to open up just like what you see right here, and then you can start to browse the internet for fun. So basically, this is how to download and install latest version and update your Firefox browser for fast and privacy browsing experience. I hope you got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.